What are interactive notebook foldables? Have you ever wondered how to make studying more engaging and effective? Interactive notebook foldables might be the answer you are looking for. These are hands-on tools that help organize and present information in a fun and tactile way. By folding, cutting, and layering paper, students create flaps, pockets, or tabs that they can manipulate. This process turns traditional note-taking into an interactive experience. At the heart of this concept is the interactive notebook itself. This personalized learning journal allows students to combine notes, drawings, and activities. It encourages them to process and reflect on what they learn. When you add foldables to this mix, you introduce a kinesthetic element. Kinesthetic learning strategies focus on learning through movement and touch, making it easier for some students to grasp complex concepts. Foldables come in many shapes and sizes. You might encounter flip charts, layered books, accordion folds, or mini books. Each type can be customized for different subjects or topics. For instance, a foldable could have flaps that reveal definitions or examples underneath. This helps students break down information into smaller, manageable parts. From a study techniques perspective, these foldables can significantly improve memory retention. They engage multiple senses: visual, tactile, and sometimes auditory. When students explain what they have created, they reinforce their understanding. The act of creating and using foldables promotes active learning, which is often more effective than just reading or listening. Practically speaking, students can use foldables to organize vocabulary, outline processes, or compare ideas. Teachers can assign foldable activities to make lessons more interactive and enjoyable. Because foldables are portable and compact, they make reviewing material easier and more engaging. In essence, interactive notebook foldables transform the way students take notes. They turn a passive task into an active, creative process. This approach not only helps students understand information better but also makes studying more enjoyable. So, if you are looking for a way to spice up your study sessions, consider incorporating interactive notebook foldables into your routine.